Hey guys, so today I thought I'd talk about, I think I've got 7 skincare products better than the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream, which is a beloved product by First Aid Beauty. However, it can be quite irritating for a lot of skin, mostly because of the inclusion of eucalyptus or whatever fragrance they're adding at the moment. They have different scents of this now, but even the generic version contains the eucalyptus extract. So these are multi-purpose moisturizers that are all great for your skin and pretty affordable. So I'm going to start out with the Illiyoon Ceramide Atto Concentrate Cream. Wonderful product, very affordable. The bottle is large. You can use it face, body, both, wherever, whenever, however you want to use it. It's wonderful. No fragrance in it, and just a darn good product, and it seems to work great for everybody. So I highly recommend everyone give this a chance at least once, because most people end up really enjoying it, and in the long run it ends up being much more affordable than the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream, especially when it's on sale. That's even better. Next up, we've got the CeraVe Daily Moisturizing Lotion. This stuff is great for body or face or both, whatever you prefer. It's a great product overall, really nicely formulated and very affordable, and you can even get the large tub, and it's going to be gigantic, and in the long run more affordable than the First Aid Beauty. And on one more CeraVe note, their PM Facial Moisturizing Lotion is also great. Whether you use this, a lot of people use it as a body cream, a lot of people use it as a face cream, a lot of people use it as both, but I want to make a variety of options, and this one's just great for face. Love it, very affordable, nice product. Although it gets a little bit more expensive every time I buy it, but a little bit of it goes a long way and really much more friendly for gentle, sensitive skin. Next up, what I love about this, the giant bottle of it, and that's the Roche Posay Lipikar Balm. It comes in different sizes. I got the pump tube. I just finished my last bottle of it, and I loved it, and it's really wonderful. This bottle, I believe, retails for around $20-ish, depending on when you get it. But a little bit of it goes a long way. You can use it on face, body, both, one or the other, or both, and it's just great. And fragrance-free, great. Again, much better for sensitive skin. Okay, we've got next up the Neutrogena Oil-Free Moisturizer, which is great. This one's more sized towards face, but it also works well neck, arms, décolleté, whatever you want to use it. But this one's really nice. Very simple formula. I'm not a crazy fan of Neutrogena, you know, but overall this one's just a really nice, gentle product for when your skin is super sensitized. It's nice, no fragrance, really darn affordable. I think this retails for under $10 and the bottle's 4 ounces. So it's misleadingly, it looks small, but it's really contains a lot more product than you'd think. A couple more, the Vanicream Daily Facial Moisturizer. If you're a Vanicream fan and some of their products work well for you, this one is another one worth checking out. Really nice ingredient list, no fragrance, works well face, body, wherever. This is 3 ounces, so a little bit smaller than Neutrogena, but still a nice product. And they have a body moisturizer as well that's worth checking out. So depending on if you use this for your body, they have a nice body cream too, which is worth trying as well. But I like the facial moisturizer one. And if you're in Australia, the Glow Lab Hydra Gel Moisturizer. Glow Lab, yes, I said that right. I thought it said Glow Recipe. I'm like, did I say that right? This stuff is really nice. It's got a longer ingredient list, but a lot of nice ingredients. Centella's in here, rose hips in here, green tea. It's a really nice product. I'm really happy. Elias, a friend of mine, sent it to me to try out, and I'm really impressed with it. And it's a really nice product. No scent in it. Very gentle, but good ingredients and great for face or wherever you want to use it. And then I had one runner-up, and that was the Klairs Supple Preparation All Over Body Lotion. I just finished my last tube. Actually, I finished it at the cabin, and I left it up there, so I don't have the empty for it. But it is well worth checking out. I believe it's like 6 ounces. It's a nice size tube. It's a really great product. Well worth checking out as well. I'll link to all these below. But anyway, interested hearing from you guys. If you've tried this and if you liked it or not, leave a comment. Or if you found an alternative that worked better, what is it and what do you like about it? Love hearing from you guys. Don't forget to vote for your favorite brand for the Viewer's Choice Award for my awards show. Don't forget to vote. So if you haven't voted, go vote. And I will see you guys more tomorrow. Thanks so much. Bye, guys.